Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. From personalized recommendations to autonomous vehicles, machine learning is revolutionizing everyday life in countless ways. In this video, we will explore some practical examples of machine learning applications that are transforming our daily lives. Personalized recommendations. One of the most common applications of machine learning is personalized recommendations. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify use machine learning algorithms to analyze data on user behavior and preferences, and then make recommendations based on that data. For example, Netflix uses machine learning to analyze viewing history and provide personalized recommendations for TV shows and movies. This not only enhances the user experience, but also drives customer loyalty and engagement. Autonomous vehicles. Another area where machine learning is revolutionizing everyday life is in the development of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla and Google are using machine learning algorithms to train self-driving cars to recognize and respond to various driving scenarios. By analyzing data on driving behavior, machine learning algorithms can learn to identify and respond to different types of obstacles, such as pedestrians and other vehicles, making roads safer and reducing the risk of accidents. Natural language processing. Machine learning is also being used to improve natural language processing, which is the ability of computers to understand human language. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa use machine learning algorithms to interpret and respond to voice commands, and chatbots use machine learning to understand and respond to written messages. This not only enhances the user experience, but also makes communication more efficient and effective. Healthcare. Machine learning is also being used to revolutionize healthcare. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze medical images and identify patterns that may indicate the presence of disease. This can lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, improving patient outcomes and saving lives. Machine learning is also being used to develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique characteristics and medical history. Fraud detection. Machine learning is also being used to detect and prevent fraud. Banks and credit card companies use machine learning algorithms to analyze transaction data and identify patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. This not only protects customers from financial loss, but also reduces the risk of fraud for companies. While machine learning has many benefits, it also raises important ethical questions about its impact on society. For example, there are concerns about the potential for machine learning algorithms to reinforce existing biases and inequalities, such as gender and racial biases. It is important to address these concerns and ensure that machine learning is being used in a way that promotes equity and fairness. Furthermore, the widespread use of machine learning also raises concerns about privacy and data security. As machine learning algorithms collect and analyze vast amounts of data, it is important to ensure that this data is being collected and used in an ethical and responsible manner, and that individuals have control over their own personal data. To address these concerns, it is important to engage in ethical discussions and regulatory frameworks to ensure that machine learning is being used in an ethical and responsible manner. It is also important to invest in education and training programs to ensure that workers have the skills they need to develop and implement machine learning technologies in a way that promotes equity and fairness. Moreover, it is important to consider the potential impact of machine learning on the job market. While machine learning has the potential to automate routine tasks and improve efficiency, it also raises concerns about the potential displacement of workers. Therefore, it is important to invest in education and training programs to help workers adapt to the changing job market and develop the skills that will be in high demand due to machine learning. In addition, it is important to consider the potential impact of machine learning on society as a whole. As machine learning algorithms become more pervasive, they have the potential to change the way we interact with each other and with the world around us. For example, machine learning algorithms may be used to predict and influence our behavior, which raises important ethical questions about individual autonomy and privacy. Furthermore, machine learning may also exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, access to the data necessary to train machine learning algorithms may be limited to certain groups, leading to a bias in the resulting algorithms. Therefore, it is important to engage in discussions about the potential impact of machine learning on society and develop policies that promote equitable access to opportunities and benefits. Moreover, machine learning has the potential to transform the way we approach some of the world's most pressing challenges, such as climate change and global health. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze data on climate patterns and identify potential solutions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Machine learning can also be used to analyze large datasets to identify patterns that may indicate the presence of disease outbreaks, enabling early and targeted interventions. To fully realize the potential of machine learning, it is important to continue to invest in research and development. While machine learning has made significant advances in recent years, there is still much to be learned about how to best harness the power of this technology. Moreover, it is important to consider the ethical implications of machine learning as it continues to evolve. As machine learning algorithms become more sophisticated, they have the potential to make decisions that can have significant impacts on individuals and society as a whole. Therefore, it is important to engage in ethical discussions and regulatory frameworks to ensure that machine learning is being used in an ethical and responsible manner. In addition, it is important to ensure that machine learning is being used to benefit society as a whole, rather than just a select few. This means promoting equitable access to opportunities and benefits, and developing policies that ensure that the benefits of machine learning are being distributed fairly. In conclusion, machine learning is revolutionizing everyday life in countless ways, from personalized recommendations to autonomous vehicles. By analyzing vast amounts of data and improving performance over time, machine learning is allowing computers to learn and adapt in ways that were previously impossible. However, it is important to ensure that the development and implementation of machine learning is being done in an ethical and responsible manner that promotes equity, fairness, and privacy. By engaging in ethical discussions and regulatory frameworks, investing in education and training programs, and addressing concerns around displacement of workers, we can harness the power of machine learning to create a more efficient, safe, and equitable world. As machine learning continues to evolve and transform the job market and society as a whole, it is important to remain vigilant and ensure that this technology is being used in a way that benefits everyone.